8 simple home remedies to keep dry cough away. Salt water. Ingredients needed: 1 teaspoon salt, 1 glass of water. How to use: mix 1 teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water, then gargle your mouth with this solution for few times a day. Basil leaves. How to use: simply chew the basil leaves for some time, which works wonderfully to cleanse your lungs from mucus and alleviate bronchitis problems. Eucalyptus oil. Ingredients needed: 3 to 4 drops of eucalyptus oil, a bowl of water. How to use: add 3 to 4 drops of eucalyptus oil in a bowl of water, boil it to form steam water, inhale this steam after covering yourself with a blanket or a towel. Garlic. Ingredients needed: 3 to 4 garlic cloves, a glass of milk. How to use: peel 3 to 4 garlic cloves, chop them in nice pieces, add the pieces of garlic into a glass of milk, and boil them. Take this drink before going to bed. Ginger. Ingredients needed: 1 teaspoon ginger, 1 teaspoon cloves, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 cup hot water. How to use: mix 1 teaspoon of ginger, cloves, and cinnamon in a cup of hot water. Once it's completely mixed, consume the mixture, and repeat the procedure for 3 to 4 days. Honey. Ingredients needed: 1 teaspoon honey, regular tea or lemon water. How to use: add a teaspoon of honey in your morning tea or lemon water, and drink this portion for relief from bronchitis-related pain. Turmeric. Ingredients needed: 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a glass of milk. How to use: add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder in a glass of milk, boil the milk, and consume it 2 times per day on an empty stomach. Spinach. Ingredients needed: few spinach leaves, 1 teaspoon honey. How to use: take a glass of water and soak spinach leaves into it and leave it for 15 minutes. After that, add a teaspoon of honey to the mix and drink up. If you really like the video and you want to appreciate our efforts, then please subscribe to our channel.